Hello! Today, we are going to talk about learning inclusiveness. Inclusiveness is part of learning how to be a great friend. Inclusiveness means making sure everyone, even if they are different from you, feels welcome, safe, and part of your group. Why is this superpower so important? It helps you be super kind, respect everyone's differences, make lots of cool new friends, stop bullying before it starts. They might play alone a lot, get mean comments, their tummy or head might hurt often. A new kid, Sam, just moved here. Sam sits alone during playtime. Instead of watching, let's be a hero.
Hi, Sam. We are building a giant fort. We need a lookout captain.
Sam smiled super big. Being an awesome friend is easy.
Here are some simple ways you can practice being an awesome friend every day.
Be a role model. Be kind and respectful to everyone you meet. Friends will watch what you do and copy your good manners. Share the fun. Sharing your toys and taking turns means everyone gets to play fair and join the fun. It's how you make sure the game keeps going. Use friendly words. Say things in a way that everyone can easily understand. Use friendly and clear words to welcome all your buddies. Read and learn. Read books that are like a treasure hunt. They teach you cool things about different kinds of people and awesome stories from all over the world. Ask questions. When you ask a friend about their favorite food or holiday, you learn more about them. It's the best way to get to know your buddies better. Keep shining bright. Include everyone, and you will make the world a super awesome place together. Quick challenge. If we had a costume parade where everyone wore something from their culture, what cool and different outfit do you think your friends would wear? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels to watch more learning videos about how social-emotional learning is important for all of us. Goodbye, and see you again next time.